Welcome all. Program Bachelors of Arts, first year, subject Psychology, semester 1, paper code PSG 101, paper title Child Psychology. Title of the unit, Unit 2, Infancy and Toddlerhood, module name Cognitive Development, Language Acquisition Theories, module number 13. I, Miss Vidya Balikai, Assistant Professor at Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Khandala, Marshall, Ponda. Outline of the lecture, cognitive development. Under that, we will be focusing on language acquisition, early sequence of language development and early vocabulary. So here we will be focusing on theories based on these topics. Learning outcome, understanding the theories of language development. So we will know the psychologist who has contributed in this area and who has given theories in understanding the language development among infancy and toddlerhood. So we will know in detail in next slide. So theories attempt to explain how we develop language. So these theories have tried their best, the psychologists under these theories have tried their best to explain how they have developed, how infants develop language. So what factors help or contribute in development of language among infancy to toddlerhood. Behaviorism approach. Okay, what behaviorists believe that association and reinforcement plays a very important role in acquiring a language or in acquiring something, in acquiring new skills or things. Okay, like for example, if a child wants to learn something, so behaviorist approach believes that behavior need to be encouraged through verbal praises or through incentives or through gifts. Okay, association and reinforcement. According to behaviorism, behaviorists believe that learning is acquired through step-by-step process, through association and reinforcement. According to them, the learning is not acquired all of sudden. People don't learn all of sudden. Okay, so it is acquired through step-by-step process. So they tried through various methods such as association and reinforcement. Like for example, associating your behavior, okay, and relating it, and in order to learn that behavior, it need to be reinforced either verbally or through incentives. The quantity and the quality of reinforcement of talking affect the rate of language development. According to behaviorist approach, the size of reinforcement and the amount of reinforcement plays a very important role in acquiring of language development. According to behaviorist, now as a child, like for example, in a class, if a teacher praises a child when he or she is alone, that does not make much impact when she has praised that child, that same child in front of whole class. A class of 30 students plays a effective role in learning a particular behavior. Okay, like for example, if a child is good at certain academic activities, like for example in doing maths maybe, or some talents, like for example if a child is very good at singing, when a teacher has praised the child in front of whole class, has more impact compared to praising a child when he or she is alone. In the same way, the quantity and the quality of reinforcement of talking affects the rate of language acquisition or language development. When a child says, for example, Mama, they are showered with attention and praises. This is exactly what the baby wants and will make the sound again to get the same reward. So, when a caregiver immediately encourages or immediately praises for the word or the statement made by a toddler or an infant, plays a very important role in learning that particular word faster. Children who are spoken more and praised by caregiver tend to develop language faster. According to behaviorist approach, the children who are encouraged, children who are appreciated, or children who are being spoken more by their caregivers tend to develop language faster compared to the children who are not praised and who are not spoken much. Parents are great intuitive teacher. It is considered that the caregivers, the parents, are the immediate teachers or immediate intuitive teacher or an effective teacher, as they name item for infants and praise when they repeat it out words. So here, as at the age of toddlerhood and infant, the immediate caregivers are an effective personalities to whom they interact first, to whom they learn to acquire the language. Okay, so it is said that according to behaviorists, the child who has been encouraged or who has been spoken more are said to acquire language faster compared to children who are less spoken to. Linguistic view. So under linguistic view, Noam Chomsky plays a vital role. So we will know what he actually, his contribution and his understanding about like how a child actually learns a new language maybe or new skill altogether. So Noam Chomsky view is called nativism. So we will know what is nativism according to Noam Chomsky. Nativism emphasizes the active role of learner. According to Noam Chomsky, nativism means the learning is actually acquired by the learner himself. Okay, the learner plays a very effective role under his perspective, under the view of nativism given by Noam Chomsky. So according to him, that human beings have an inborn capacity for language acquisition. So according to Noam Chomsky, that individuals are having an inborn capacity to learn a language, okay, to learn their own native language, the language to which they are exposed more, okay. As babies learn to talk as naturally as they learn to walk. So according to Noam Chomsky, babies don't take much effort in learning a language, especially their native language which they are exposed more as compared. He says that learning a language is as natural as they learn to walk. Noam Chomsky also emphasized on LAD. LAD means language acquisition device. Okay, so we will understand what is LAD according to Noam Chomsky and why he stressed more on language acquisition device. So what is goal behind this LAD, okay, which he said that it is called as language acquisition device, and it is commonly said as a LAD in his theory. It is the area of the brain which facilitates the development of language. Language acquisition device is an area in the brain that actually encourages, that actually leads to the development of language. He also believes, Noam Chomsky believes that it enables children to derive the rules of grammar from everyday speech regardless of native language. He believed that LAD helps children to derive rules of grammar from everyday speech. So language is experience expectant. Words are expected by the developing brain. Noam Chomsky believed that children are pre-wired for language. So according to Noam Chomsky, at a particular age, it is expected that the child should know so many words, and child should know how to use this particular words in their statement. So that has been helped with the help of this LAD device, which is fitted in the area of the brain according to Noam Chomsky. So the next slide, the references for your content. Thank you.